Okay, our next step is to add the pictures for our recruiters to our table. We added that field for pictures. We called it an OLE field, which means object linking and embedding. You don't need to know that. I just thought I'd throw that out there in case you were wondering. So what we need to do with our table still opened, go ahead and click on the picture here. And then what we want to do is right click. And this is where we can choose Insert Object. Okay? So go ahead and hit Insert Object. This is where we're going to pick the pictures that we downloaded in the very first lesson at the very beginning of this. So what we want to do now is we're going to go ahead and click Create from File. And this is where we're going to browse and find the file that we want to put in here. So click Browse. We're in My Documents. I'm going to open up the 123 folder, the Access 5, and here are our pictures. We're going to use Pick 1 for the first picture. So we select that, then we hit OK, and it's going to add that picture in there. It's a bitmap image, okay? We're going to do this with all 4 pictures. I'll go ahead and go through it with you. Right click, Insert Object, Create from File, Browse, Pick 2. Hit OK. Right click, Insert Object, Create from File, Browse, Pick 3. I think you're getting the hang of it here. Again, last time, Insert Object, Create from File, Browse, Pick 4, and OK. So we just added our 3 images in there. Now what we can do, if we want to look at these images too, we can go ahead and right click on this, go down to Bitmap Image Object, and hit Open. Okay, and you can see right there it opens it up in Paint for me, and it's got the image of the recruiter. We can look at the other ones too. Bitmap Image Object, Open. There's our recruiters. Okay, so that's adding the picture. The next thing we're going to do here is we're going to add the attachments. Okay, in order to do that, it's a fairly simple thing here. You see the paper clip there. What we want to do now is go ahead and right click here, go down to Manage Attachments. Okay, and here's where we have all of the attachments. We can attach files here to the various records. So we go ahead and hit Add, and here we're going to select the Alyssa Carey clients and hit Open, and it attaches that. We're going to go ahead and add the Alyssa Carey potential clients file also. Hit Open, and you can see those two are added there. Okay, so we go ahead and hit OK. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add one more file. Let me just make sure I'm adding it to the right place here. So the 4th record, right click down here, Manage Attachments, hit Add, and we're going to add the Jan Lee potential clients here. So now we basically have just added these files to those recruiter records. Now if I click on it, double click on it, I can select one of these and hit Open, and you'll see it's going to open up that file for me on that record. Now it's a document, it's a Word document, so it uses Word to open it, and there is the file. Okay, pretty simple stuff there, and that's how you add attachments to the records. Okay, so let's go ahead and save this. And we can close the table now. And now we've added new fields. We've added the data into those fields. And now we're going to go ahead and create our master recruiter form, which is going to be a lot of fun. I think it allows you to do a lot of different things and make a really fancy, very useful form. So that'll be in our next lesson. We'll begin that.